Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use Monday.com for project management. Monday.com for beginners. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be exploring Monday.com and how you will be able to use it for project management. Now, to be able to make sure that your Money.com version is actually for the project management version, you're simply going to click on this 9 dots over here on the top left. If you click this, you will be able to see here you have the work management as the default that is currently installed and used when you first create an account in Monday.com. If you click on explore more products, you will be able to see that there are also Monday Sales CRM and Monday Dev over here. Now, the Monday Work Management version is the one that is built for project management. So let's go and explore how it works. Now, the way it works is that you will be able to manage your different tasks with ease. Now, when you first create your account in Monday.com, it will ask you to enter emails of your team members. Therefore, you will be able to work together and finish tasks together in this project over here. If you haven't added anyone yet, you could add them by clicking on invite over here on the top right, which is this option over here. Now, the way this works is that you have different tasks over here. You could have this as project, you could have it as task. The labeling depends on you, but the way you use it also depends on you. So for example, this one is currently labeled as project since it is a project management. You could say that this one over here, let's name it a different name. Let's say website creation for our project name over here. Website creation. Now let's say that is our first project. Now, as you can see, this is grouped over here. This 3 sets of tasks are grouped into one group, which is this one over here. This is basically a group wherein you will be able to compile and put together different tasks and separate them by category, by date, or depending on how you would like to categorize them. Now, the way this table right now has been categorized is per date, meaning the one that would appear this month will be in this area over here within this month. Then the one or the projects that are due next month, it will appear on, of course, the next month over here. Now, these are customizable. You could click on this and you will be able to edit it. So, for example, instead of grouping it by date, you could set priority, something like that. Then over here, you could say semi or medium priority, something like that. Then normal priority, something like that. And the way you label it depends on you. You could indicate how important something is, what those tasks are supposed to be, what those tasks are supposed to do, something like that. For example, you could change it back to website related. Then over here, you could say office related task, something like that. And as you can see, you were able to modify a project by simply clicking on the title. So you don't need to click on any editing button. You can easily change it up automatically. So let's say on our second task over here, let's say buy a domain. And then for the third one, let's say promote a website. So let's say so far this is our 3 tasks for our category or our group website. And you will be able to add conversations, or you could have a conversation with your team members by clicking on start conversation. And then you could say over here, write an update. So let's say found a team that would look great with our company. Then you could add some emojis if you want. You could mention people, so for example like that. And then you could click on update. Now this has been updated. It's like a comment under the task, and you will be able to keep updated or give some progress report on what you have done when it comes to that specific task. So for example, we have this one. That's a progress report. If you say finish up looking or building the dashboard or like the back end part of the website, you could also put it over here as a part of the update. And then you could react to other people. You could give a like, a heart. You can also reply to them. That's great, something like that. You will be able to have a conversation or communication with your team members, which is very useful. Uh, you will be able to collaborate efficiently without having to use other platforms. You can also upload some files if you want. You can drop files over here, and then you can check the activity log over here, as you can see. And you can also assign who the owner of the specific task is. So since I created it, of course, I'm the owner. You will be able to see it over here. Then you could change it later on if you want. You could set or add someone else as owner of that task. And you can also check out over here. If you click on due date, you will be able to assign when it is due. Now, you can also see here that we have status. You have working on it, done, and stopped. So you could change it. There are 4 labels right now. If you click on done, as you can see, there will be this bar over here that would allow you to monitor how much progress you have been making. So right now it's 2 out of 3 done, so it's 66.7%. And then working on it is 1 and 1/3. So you have 33 and 33%. So if I set here stop, it's going to be evenly distributed, as you can see. And we have not started yet over here. You could add your own labels or create your own labels by clicking on edit label. Then click on add new label. Then let's say issue, something like that. Click on this color wheel over here. You'll be able to choose what color you would like that to have. Then if you set that, as you can see, your team members will be able to see that that specific task has an issue if you're done working on it or something like that. You could add ways to see things, like you could add essentials like timeline, numbers, tags, dates. You could also add some super useful stuff like text, files, dependencies, connection, and many more. You could add different things that you would like to see. Here we go. Similarly with this. So you have control on what you would like to see on your output. So if you don't like to see the status, you can simply click on the 3 dots and click on delete over here. To be able to add some group, you can simply click on add new group over here, and you will be able to create a new group just like that. Then you can also start a new project. Over here is the project over here, like the groups of project. If you click on new project, it will automatically appear over here. If you click on this area, like a new board, you will be able to create an entirely new project to add some tasks to. You can also add ways to view it. You can change it from table to Gantt chart, normal pie chart, calendar, Kanban, files gallery, form, and blank view. And you're going to also integrate it to many different platforms. So it's a very useful and amazing platform. So that's basically it, guys. That is the basics of Monday.com project management. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.